Hello YouTube, welcome back to another edition of Driving Up Stocks. I don't know, that's the one that stuck the best in my brain. If you got something better, let me know down in the comments. Sorry for the glare. As mentioned, we're in the car once again. So this is officially Robinhood Investing Challenge episode number 13, coming at you with a midweek update. End of the day, Wednesday, we were at about $161 in our portfolio. As I mentioned last video, we had shot up about $5-6. We were doing very well. As I anticipated, some of those big runs up kind of tapered off and settled back down at the end of the last couple trading days. The big hitters there, Designer Brands, that one had dropped off because of a negative earnings report. That one's on the rise. That one was up in the 1550 range, so making our money back there. Cosmos Energy, which has been the bane of our existence, crawling out of the shadows, so to speak. That one kind of stalled out a little bit around in the 550 range. It was back up. It hit 560, 561, somewhere in that range. So we were looking pretty good, making some money back on that one, and then it kind of stalled out, and then it's just been back up and down right in that 550 zone the past couple days. So again, we'll just continue to monitor that one. The thing that I think I kind of mentioned this before that just really bothered me about that Cosmos Energy one is I don't want to take the loss and just sell out of them because I'd hate to lose that much money. But oh my gosh, there are just so many stocks right now at a discount that, you know, especially dividend stocks like like my Designer Brands. I mean, today would be kind of a, even though it'd be a good time to buy with the price, the thing that would kind of make it stink is today is the actual ex-dividend date, and I would have had to have bought it yesterday in order to get the dividends. So that would be kind of bittersweet, but at least I'd have it, and that'd be another quarter in the bank, you know, that next quarter that rolls around, because they have a set price for their dividend. It's 25 cents, which is pretty good for the price you're paying for that particular stock. But as it stands, we're going to sit on Cosmos Energy a little bit longer. I did have a little bit tied up in a penny stock, ticker symbol CPSH, I believe it is. That one is one I've traded in and out of that a few times. It doesn't have a lot of volume, so it's a little bit more of a dangerous play, but it's consistently right there at $1. Sometimes it'll drop down to like 99 cents, but typically throughout the course of a day, with the little bit of volume it gets, it does spike up to between $1.01 and $1.03. So I had a little bit extra money in the bank a couple weeks back there. Invested that into that CPSH stock, knowing that it bounces around every day, and it really did nothing. It just sat there at a freaking dollar. It did finally move, but it was down to like 99, 98 cents. It's back up to $1. So I just want to get out of that one because it's not doing what I was hoping it would. It's not really going to make me anything. So I did put in a limit sell at $1. It's been sitting at $1, but because it's in kind of a flux point where it hasn't officially settled at $1, it won't sell out those shares that I own. So as soon as that settles somewhere, that, you know, those 3 shares I have of that one will be gone. I'll make 3 cents off of that one, I think it is, because I think I bought in at $1 a share. Again, penny stock. And I don't want to be down on people that do trade consistently on penny stocks. I'm not bagging on that. Like I said, I got my start mostly in penny stock trading. It's just that I had like this magic touch back in September, early October, when I started messing around with the penny stocks. Very good at reading the charts, guessing the trends, anticipating the trends where the stock was going to go. Able to get in and out of some positions very well, and then all of a sudden I just woke up one day, the magic was gone. I'm just not getting a good read on the charts now. I think I just need to go back to basics, review some of the basic trends and things like that. I think that's really what it is. I just kind of got away from. When I first started, I was doing an immense amount of research on even a penny stock. I only planned on day trading. I would do quite a bit of research on it first, and now I got to the point where I was just looking at the charts, seeing what it was doing, looking for trend lines. Does it have a trend, that kind of stuff, and then yay or nay based on what I saw. So I kind of got away from what was working for me, which was all the research. I need to get back into doing spending more time on research so I can actually make out on these stocks when I get in and out of them. And again, I'm trying to move away from penny stocks as much as possible, but I'm not bagging on anybody that's doing very well in penny stocks. I hope you're doing well on penny stocks. It's just become a little bit more difficult for me, and I'm not seeing the success that I was when I first started. And we're trying to grow, and as I've mentioned many times, I'm trying to get my money more into dividend stocks. Kind of my current dividend goal. Like right now, I have a couple of months where I don't get any dividends paid out, and I'm trying to get to a point where I have at least a dividend paid out each month of the year. I think February and November are the only 2 months that I don't get a dividend. And again, I still am planning on doing a dividend video. I've been talking about this for like 2 months now, but I am going to do it. Actually got my kids excited about it. They want to kind of help out and do something with it. I got an idea for it. I think it'd be kind of clever just to get the kids involved. So they're real excited about that. So as soon as they're done with their part of it, then we'll kick out that dividend video and go through, again, all the stocks that I have, when they pay dividends and when they pay out. And if by that time I don't have a stock every year that pays a dividend every month, we'll give you the updates on the ones that we do have the holes, which, like I said, I think it's November and February are the only two that I don't, 2 months I don't get paid out in. That's about it for today. That got you up to speed. Again, we ended the day at about $161, just shy of $162 in our portfolio at the end of Wednesday. Lot better week so far. Again, I guess I'll end the video. I wanted